Hi, this is Jason West, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about done-for-you campaigns in Kartra. So one of the good benefits of Kartra is that we are able to import completely done-for-you funnels in terms of all of the pages have been done, the emails, the sequences, the opt-in forms, the checkouts. You can actually create something like that and then give it to somebody else and they can import it into their account. And also Kartra provides some done-for-you campaigns themselves. And the way that you get to those from within your account is just to go to here where it says My Campaigns, and then just up here where it says Available Campaigns. And these are the ones that you'll see from Karcher right here. You've got like email course campaign, lead nurture, squeeze page, and these are all like free campaigns. So let's take this free membership campaign here. Usually, if you just press the play video, there we go. I'll try and turn the volume down a moment.
This is the membership system campaign.
There you go. And then they'll explain to you there, you know, what it is. So this one is just an opt-in, a thank you, and then access to a members area. That's all done. So, you know, you've got that page there, the opt-in page, you've got the thank you, you've got the membership set up, and then your job is to go in there and edit them to your business. Done. So it just saves you creating all of those pages from scratch, and maybe you weren't sure how to do an email sequence or something. So the framework is there for you to go and use. So now the Karcher campaigns are pretty basic, and you won't get an awful lot of help in terms of anything more than that video that you just saw. So when it comes to editing and stuff, you've just got to know how to use Kartra. Now, I've got a load of campaigns, and you can find mine in the marketplace or on my own website. There'll be a link underneath this video or above, depending on where you're watching it. But you can get a lot more help than just these basic done-for-you campaigns. So if we go to, let's say, let's go to the campaign marketplace where you'll find a lot of my funnels. There you go. So we go to here. Just go up to here and we can just do a search, or we can filter by most popular. So let's go to most popular, and then you should see a ton of mine. There you go. So we've got this one here, webinar course sales funnel. This one's free, by the way. If it's a free lead magnet funnel, so always a good one to start with. And then I've done ones for all kinds of different things, and you can read all about them there. So let's look at this one. This is the virtual summit funnel. Been really successful for a lot of people around the world who've held virtual summits, made thousands of dollars with this funnel. And it tells you all about the funnel there in the video and all of the pages. Now that particular one, I think you get about 17 pages, a membership, checkout, the whole lot, which in turn saves you potentially, 40, 50 hours of work and stress and frustration and having to learn an entire system. With this, you'll be able to just watch my training videos on how to edit the actual funnel. It's all been done for you. So it's a bit of a higher level done for you Kartra campaign, if you like. And if you wanted to as well, you can go to jasonwest.com/funnel shop. There you go. These are all of the funnels right here. And there's tons and tons of them for different industries. So this is one of the good things about Kartra. They have this also in ClickFunnels, the ability to share a funnel with another user. So it just is a real good convenient way to move a complete campaign into someone's account, save them a whole bunch of time, maybe a client of yours or something, and then you're up and running a lot faster. So that is what done-for-you campaigns are in Kartra and how you find them. Just to refresh your memory, My Campaigns just here, and then you click on Available Campaigns. If you want to put one into your account and make it live, because these are just showing you what you can have, you just click on the three dots and you click on this, says here, Deploy. And then it puts this campaign into your account. And then when you go to like My Pages, for example, you'll see that page or the pages included with that funnel in there ready for you to go and edit. But other things, if you would like to get some free Kartra training from myself, again, I'll put a video for you underneath, or a video, I'll put a link for you underneath this video, and I'll show you what you're going to get. this is going to really help you with Kartra in general. If we go to my free training here and let's log in as an admin so we can have a sneaky peek. And you just log in here. There's nothing, you're not asked to do anything, you're not asked to pay anything. It's purely free, but there's a ton of Kartra tutorials to get you off the ground and get you understanding how to use the software. And internet marketing training in there as well. I've been doing internet marketing for like 20 years now, so there's not much I haven't looked at or tried. And then there's even some webinar training there as well. I've done hundreds of live webinars, but all of this is going to speed up the growth of your business if you put it into action. So sign up for free. It'll be a link beneath this video or above, depending on where you're watching it. And have a great day, and I'll see you real soon.